Hello guys, welcome back to my one more video. And today I'm gonna show you guys something that is gonna improve a lot the quality of our videos, which is this beauty here. It's the new DJI Osmo Mobile 7. It's our gimbal, and I'm more than sure that this is gonna improve a lot the quality of all our shots in the automotive field, and even if we want to do like some familiar stuff. So I'll give you some insights about this one. We'll do the unboxing together, and yep, we'll go through it. Okay, and this one is a bit different from the usual videos that we usually make of luxury cars and V12s, but trust me, it's going to make them even look better. Today I'm unboxing this brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 7. I've always wanted to get one of these ones, and finally this weekend I decided to purchase one. So yeah, let's go through it. This is going to level up how we shoot car content, and I'll show you why. So we'll open this one. I'll show you how it is. I was between this Osmo Mobile 7 and the Osmo Mobile SE. They are very similar. They are very similar in price as well. This one is $50 more expensive, but it's because it has special features different than the other one. So this one has better tracking mode, which is really useful when you're recording something moving fast. The Osmo Mobile SE has the same option, but it's not as updated as this one. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Another factor as well that made me choose this one instead of the SE is that the SE has a tripod. It comes with a tripod, but the tripod comes separate, which makes it like a extra accessory to carry. And I like in my condition, in my situation, I need to record very fast, so it's not very useful for me to be screwing and unscrewing the tripod every time. And this one helps me getting everything together at the same time. So yeah, it's not a massive change in price, but this one helps a little bit better. And yeah, it's just lighter as well. The other box is, I think, double the size of this one. So let's see what is inside. So we open this side, open this both sides. Silicone back, and then a little box. So this little box contains all the cable. Other thing that I really liked about this one that is different from the SE is that the SE has USB to USB-C. This one has two USB-Cs. So this one allows you to charge your phone with the tripod, which is really useful as well. But the SE is just literally is just to charge the tripod to the wall. So I think this is a little bit useful as well. The normal cable has the mobile clamp as well. This one is the one that we'll be using and has a magnetic one. So I've heard that it's really good quality as well. Something that I like about DJI is that they come with the pouch, so you can, like, you don't have to buy a bag or you don't have to buy a holder. It already comes with one, and it's like a microfiber pouch. Very good, very delicate. And here it is. This is our gimbal, our DJI. Other thing that I heard as well, because I'm not very familiar with all these, it's my first time buying one gimbal, is that you have to turn it on manually, but this one is supposed to be automatic, so let's see how it goes. To be honest, I have no idea how it is, but let's see. So yeah, as soon as I move it, it turns straight away on. It has its triggers, and that's it, it's ready. As soon as I touched it, it turned on. It's pretty cool. Has something really nice. Wow! So it's something that I really like. Yeah, start working straight away. As soon as you move it, turns on. I've heard as well that you have to download the app as well, but we'll do it in the next video. This one is just pretty much a review and a first impression of the gimbal. It's very light. I really like it. The color as well is kind of a grayish white. This one at the moment, like you can see, the battery and the Bluetooth is trying to connect at the moment. So you got the joystick to manage it manually if you need it. If you want it, it has this other little button. If you want to change from the rear camera to a selfie camera, you just push it once you connect the, of course, the phone, and it's gonna change it. If you push it twice, it's gonna change from vertical to horizontal, which is pretty cool. And yeah, like at the moment I'm recording with my phone. I have a S23 Ultra, and it's a very wide phone, and this one suited perfectly. I will use this old phone that I have as well, and yeah. So I attached already the magnetic phone clamp, and it's very secure. It's very tight, so it's very safe. We just literally have to just plug it here, and that's it. It's all done. If you want it horizontal or you want it vertical, it's very smooth. You see? So we move it. It's very strong. Of course, this one at the moment is a little bit low battery. So yeah, I think it needs a little bit of charge. But apart from that, it's really cool. Other good feature that I really loved about this is that it has the already inbuilt the tripod. So this one you can just pull it out and stand it up. That's it. Beautiful. Same way, if you want to put it back in, so like this, and goes in back. That's it. Easy. So literally to do this, just it's very strong. You just have to like this, and it has to match. That's it. Very strong. Look at this. It's never gonna fall from there. This is crazy smooth. Even when you're walking, it eliminates those little handshakes, and yeah, for our car content, it's gonna be very important. Think of walk-arounds, interior pans, close-ups of badges. It's exactly what I needed. And to be honest, it feels light. It feels very solid. It's worth the money. Everything is faster now. No more dragging a camera around, you know, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty handy as well. So this model comes with active track 7.0. The SE comes with the 6.0, which is super helpful if you're filming alone. It can lock onto a car or your face, and it's just gonna follow you very smoothly. The gimbal also has gesture control, so you can just adjust it. Everything is through the app. We'll go through that later. But yeah, you can just, with one gesture, you can make it work and make it follow you. It has hyperlapse, it has time lapse, it has spin shops. This one looks really cool for interior spins. And yeah, it has a new feature. It's called quick launch feature. That saves time on setups. So I bought this one mainly to improve the quality of what you see on this channel. We cover luxury cars, we cover as well fine interiors, and those kind of details deserve to look crisp and cinematic, even when I'm filming solo or in a rush. The S23 Ultra is helping me, and usually has a killer camera. I really love my phone, um, and this gimbal is gonna add an extra, a plus. This setup is nearly a pro level. Yeah, and I'm by myself. I don't need a crew, so it's a good beginning. So some quick hacks that I have is to always shoot with your phone in the highest definition. So that's 4K if you have it, and always I try to shoot at 60 frames per second, because that's gonna help us as well give um, a more cinematic appearance, and you can slow down, you can use a slow motion in the shots, and it's gonna look very natural. It's not gonna be chopped, and it's not gonna struggle as well. Once you're watching it, it's gonna be very natural, very smooth. Lock your exposure, so every time, so we avoid this when my face is gonna be blurry, because you're gonna focus on this and not on my face. So what I usually do is just keep the screen tapped where in the object that you want to focus, and it's just the phone is gonna just catch what you really tapped on, and not whatever is in front of the camera. So I think that the definition will be better. Also, for interiors, just tilt the gimbal slightly up for a dynamic effect. So I paid for this little one. I paid $159 in Australian dollars. The SE was a bit cheaper, was $50 cheaper, so it was $109. And for $50, to be honest, this is really good. It's not an expense, it's an investment. That's how I see it, and I'm gonna use it, so it's gonna be good. Not about when you compare it in buying like a second camera or stabilizer, if you create content, even just casually, is worth, even like every dollar that you spend is worth it. For car lovers who want smooth cinematic shots but don't want to carry heavy gear, this thing is, I think, the best option at the moment. And if, like, to be honest, my work just demands to be fast, and when I'm shooting, I need to do it in the moment. When I'm moving the cars or something, I just try to make the most of every moment. So yeah, I feel that this is gonna be very handy. It's very light. I can carry it whenever I have the little bag. I can just chuck it in there. Um, it's very easy to use. Just open it and starts straight away. You don't need to push any button. You don't need to do anything else. This is gonna work by itself. So I really like it. And guys, if you enjoy it, for real, this is a very good option if you're thinking about starting to do content. If you have something in mind, even if it's something about your family, even, this thing is really good. It's really good, and you can use it with an iPhone, you can use it with a Samsung, with any kind of phone. As long as the phone has Bluetooth, you can plug it in, you can just put it here. Or also, if you have the magnetic in the phone, you can just plug it straight away here. So it's very easy to use. So just to put it apart is very easy as well. At the moment, this one just ran out of battery because it's brand new. So you just have to bend this one in, and that's pretty much it. Fold this one back in, a little hit, go back in. Yeah, that's it. You can literally throw it in your backpack, next to with a microfiber towels, or I just have even if you have a little backpack, you can have your drone. You can have everything in it. It's pretty cool. It's pretty handy. Just chuck everything in there. You can even put the cable. You know, it has the manuals, but we'll read it when we break something. So don't worry about it. And just when I thought I was done testing the gimbal, something wild happened. I found myself filming one of the most aggressive Aston Martins ever made. And let me tell you, the footage turned out insane. It was the perfect way to see if this gimbal was worth every cent. And to see them, you don't have to wait. Just click